don't know. Am I taking a video of you?
No.
No? Run!
That's attractive.
Ow, my back.
You're back.
Where's Dad?
Who's that?
Where's Dad?
Who is that?
Becca. Becca.
Yeah, it's Becca.
Becca.
Mhm.
Becca.
Probably when she was just older than you. Yeah.
Where?
I see your hair. Do you want me to braid your hair?
Spray my hair?
Yeah. You want me to braid it?
Spray it?
Yeah. Remember
No.
how how Rapunzel, how tangled she gets her hair?
What's your hair?
We can brush your hair.
No, I don't. Oh.
No.
What's this? What's this?
It's a picture.
What's this? Hot?
Yeah, it's got a heart on it.
Happy face?
And a happy face. All it needs is the sunshine. It's your favorite picture ever.
Happy faces?
Yeah.
Oh.
Lovely. Pick your nose on camera. You picking your nose and it's on my phone. It's got boogers. That's all. Yeah, she digs. She gets it.
You are
far
the
in there.
cutest little girl in the whole wide world. She looks
Show
drunk.
off.
She looks drunk.
Who knows what I slipped in her baba. A little vodka, a little gin. I'll put you right to sleep on it.
Yeah. Actually, that's quite scary. Ah. Blah, 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 blah. Ah.
She'll get violent with you.
I don't care. I had to deal with Travis my whole life. Think I'm good. Put this up on YouTube.
No.
I do that.
Oh yeah?
What do you do?
Did that.
I'm voluntarily getting slapped in the face.
I totally putting this on YouTube.
Oh. Close your eyes and you don't know when it's coming.